Today I want to talk strategy and how this book, and before you leave this video is not about selling books like this book, but it's about affiliate marketing and a process called Learn, Do, Teach, and a strategy has generated me $25,846.68 or an extra $25,000 just by learning, doing, and teaching, and in that process, recommending products as an affiliate marketer. So first, let's talk a little bit about the strategy. It's called my top strategy. That stands for traffic, offer, and people. Everything starts with traffic. As an affiliate marketer, you must have traffic. That is the source. That is the way that you get people over to an offer. That is clicks on your affiliate link, and that is the potential chance for you to make money, or in the case of this video, the extra $25,000 I earned was from this top strategy and generating traffic here on YouTube over to a specific offer or a specific set of offers that were designed to help the people that have a very specific problem. In this case, they wanted to learn and know how to create this book. Not know and learn how to sell this book necessarily, but just create it. Now, when you're talking about creating content and generating traffic, there's lots of nuances in picking a topic and staying on topic. That comes and that's about focus, and that's all under traffic. And again, like I said, that traffic source was right here on YouTube. It was my old channel. I've actually sold this channel. I no longer own it, but you can see that this channel, I simply created content and I gained subscribers or people that were interested in learning how to make books like this. And this is the very first book that I made. I learned how to do this. I did it, and then I taught it, and then I recommended the products that allowed me to create books like this. Here you can see the content that I created, the videos I created. You can see the dates that I created them. It's basically one video a week. Very simple. Just me demonstrating how and building myself as an authority in this niche, or talking about the topic of building this book and recommending and showing the tools as I learned how to build a book like this. Again, not from selling this book, but from making the book, learning how to do it, and then teaching it, and then recommending the tools. Again, you can see here on this channel that July 5th, July 12th, 19th, 26th, August 2nd, 9th, 16th, 19th, 23rd, 26th, about one video a week. This is a very, very simple process. Not to mention, if you look at the lifetime of the videos, or you look at the lifetime of the content, the videos that I made here on the channel, I actually started making AdSense revenue. So I was making money from showing people how to create books like this from the videos that I was creating. So YouTube was literally paying me to get traffic while I was learning how to make this book and share how I was making this book. Also, I was getting paid to generate that traffic that is the very first step of the top strategy, which is to build a foundational building block of an online business, which is a traffic source, in this case, YouTube, to send people over to an offer, which was the offer of the tools that showed people, or the tools that I was using as I was showing people how to build that book. And then those people, I was able to add those people to an email list. And actually, those people were buying the tools that I was using to make this book as I was showing them, because I was simply being very helpful, creating helpful content. And as I was learning how to do this, I was sharing or teaching them what I was doing. They saw how simple it was based upon the content I was creating. Again, videos here on YouTube. And that's how and where this extra $25,846.68 came from. Not from selling this book, but from creating helpful content and showing people how I was learning and how I was doing, and then following a simple process of learn, do, teach, and applying the top strategy here on YouTube to create a traffic source for affiliate offers and then add people to an email list. If you'd like to see exactly how this works step by step and how I put all this together, you can go ahead and watch the video here on the screen right now. I'll walk you through the top strategy. Look forward to seeing that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.